Want to see animated background videos while listening to music on Spotify? In this video, I'll show you how to turn on the Canvas feature in just a few simple steps. So, let's get started. First, open the Spotify app on your phone. Now tap on your profile picture in the top left corner. Next, tap Settings and Privacy. Scroll down and select Content and Display. Here, look for the Canvas option. If it's turned off, simply tap the toggle to turn it on. Once you've enabled it, go back and play a song that supports Canvas. If the song is compatible, you'll see a short looping video playing in the background while the music plays. Keep in mind that Canvas is only available for supported songs, so you won't see background videos on every track. And that's it. That's how you can enable background videos on Spotify. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like, subscribe, and I'll see you in the next one.